So guys, there is this app that gives you free credits daily. It gives you about 40 credits every day so that you can generate your videos, and it gives you 8 seconds video. It uses Nano Banana to generate the images. Then you can use our Veo 3.1, right, to animate the videos. The good thing is that it maintains consistency. Like, this app can maintain consistency very much. It gives you the perfect image for your video depending on how you prompt it. So you have to master your prompt first of all. In this particular app, you can generate your images there and still animate it. You don't have to be running from one app to another. The only thing you need to do is to have your prompt ready, so that once you get your prompt, you go to the app and generate your image, and inside that app you can still animate it. This video here was made there and it came out perfectly. You can even create up to 3 minutes video there in a day if you are smart enough. Okay, the images on this app comes out very good, including the videos, and their subscription is not even that expensive. Like, if you have the money, you can subscribe to it. Otherwise, you use the free credits because it resets every day. Like I said before, they give you 40 free credits every day. You have to create 2 videos daily, and each video gives you 8 seconds. Okay, you can also switch email if you want to. All right, so come with me, let me show you how you can generate videos using this app. Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Mercy. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Learn with Mercy. I drop tutorials about AI video editing tools that you can use to generate your AI videos and images, whether paid or free version. I also drop tips about YouTube growth, and you can as well find tutorials of video editing apps like CapCut, InShot, Adobe Premiere. If this is what you want, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a video. Let's go. So guys, you open your Google Chrome and search for Flow AI. Let's search for Flow AI. I'll click on it and then wait for it to load. So this one with this logo, because there are a lot of Flow AI, this is the one we are going to be using, the one with that logo. So this is the interface. Because I've been using it for a long time, I don't have to sign in again. But if you are joining for the first time, you are going to see where you are going to sign in. Okay, so these are the projects that I've done before. If I want to continue with the project, I can just click on any project and continue with it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on new project. So this is the interface after clicking on new project. So guys, this is Flow AI. It has your start frame, that's your start image and your end image. If you don't have any image in mind, like you don't have a reference image, you can just paste your prompt here and continue and start creating your image. But if you have an image that you want to use as a reference image, you click on that plus sign up so that you can bring in an image. Okay, let me just click there so that I can bring an image that I want to use as a reference image. So you see upload media. I'll click on upload media, photo library, so that I can bring an image. This is the image. It is loading. Just give it a few seconds and it will come in. Okay, so this is the image. I already have this image on my photos before, so I just uploaded it. Then I will click here. This is the place that you can switch from image to video. If you want to create image, you can just click on image, change the aspect ratio of your choice, and then choose which tool that you want to use. I usually use Nano Banana Pro because it is so good. But because I already have image, I'm going to click on video, choose the aspect ratio that I want, which is 16.9. Then I'm going to use Veo 3, which is very fast to generate the video. Okay, so after selecting that, I'm then going to go to ChatGPT to get my prompt, my image prompt. This is my image prompt. I'm going to copy it, copy the camera angle, the dialogue, and every necessary thing that ChatGPT gave me. So after copying it, I'll come back here. I'm going to long press on this image. Okay, I will long press on this particular image. You can see animate. A lot of options are here, but I want to animate this video first. So don't worry, we'll come back to the other options later. Okay, so I will double tap on animate so that the image can come into the frame. Okay, so you can see the image here. Then I'll first of all tell Flow AI, because sometimes it makes mistakes. Yes, it's okay for it to make mistakes. So I'm going to tell it, use the uploaded image as the reference photo and maintain all features. Okay, always remember to tell it this so that it won't make mistake. Then I will paste my prompt If there are changes that you need to do to your prompt, you can either do it on your notes or you do it here. So I'm going to make some changes and make sure that I give it a better prompt so that it will generate it once and for all. As you all know, this is 40 credits per day, okay? And each video takes about 20 credits, yeah? So we are trying to manage the credits because whenever you make a mistake, the credit is gone. So I'm just trying to manage the credits. That's why you need to master how you prompt your tools, your AI tools, okay? Especially when you are generating a video, you need to master how you prompt it to avoid making mistakes. So after the prompting, I think this is okay. I'm going to click on this arrow so that it can generate the video. So generating videos here doesn't take much. It takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Yeah, it doesn't take much. So you just have to wait for it. You can see queued. It's going to count from 1% to 100%, yes, before it can generate the video. Okay, so now our video is ready after like 2 minutes. So you're going to click on this play so that you can be able to play the video. So after clicking here, you wait for some few seconds or some few minutes depending on your network for the video to load. Then you click on play, or sometimes the video plays automatically. Okay, so let's play this one and see what we have.
Have you heard? The coronation is only 3 days away.
I have. They say every village around us will gather to witness it.
Have you heard? The coronation is only 3 days away.
I have. They say every village around us will gather to witness it.
So guys, as you can see, this video came out very nice, very nice, and it is just 8 seconds as you can see. So we are going to click on this download button so that we can download the video. Okay, when you click here, you see original size, then click on download so that you can see where to save it. You save it to your files and continue creating. So guys, we have to go back to ChatGPT so that we can copy prompt for the second image. Okay, so this time around we are going to copy the image prompt. You can see scene 2 there. So I will copy the image prompt, highlight everything and copy, then come back to Flow AI. Okay, then long press on that image, not the video, the image. I'm going to long press on it so that I can add it to the prompt, so I'll be able to use it as my reference image. Okay, but first of all, let me change this to image before I forget, because now I am creating image. So let me just change it to image, then long press on the image, click on add to prompt. Let's wait for it to come to so here it is. Then I'm going to paste my prompt here so that it can generate this this type of picture, like a picture like this, using this particular image as a reference image. Okay, so now it is generating. It doesn't even take time. The pictures doesn't take up to 30 seconds depending on your network. Okay, so here is my image. You can see, according to the prompt, this is the image that I have. Let me zoom it so that you see it very well. Guys, look at this image now. It came out so good, so beautiful, and in high quality. So this is the image, the second image that I want to animate. So I will go back to ChatGPT and then copy the video prompt of this particular image. I'll copy the video prompt, the camera angle, the dialogue, and every other thing. Then go back to Flow AI again. Then long press the image, double click on animate so that it will enter the frame again. Okay, so here is the image. I'm going to say use the uploaded image as reference. Guys, always remember to say this because sometimes the AI do make mistake. Use the uploaded image as reference photo, maintaining all features. Okay, I always put this before I paste my prompt. Full stop, space, then paste your prompt. Okay, so this is my prompt and this is all I want. If you want to make changes, you can still go ahead and make your changes. You make sure it is in video and the aspect ratio you want, and then the particular tool that you want to use and generate. Then you click on go. It will be generating your video. Like I said before, it gives us 40 credits daily, and each credit, each video takes 20 credits. Yes, so this is the second video that I'm generating. So you have to generate just 2 videos daily. So guys, you can just subscribe to this app. Their subscription is not even that much. If you like the app, you just subscribe to it. Otherwise, you just have to switch email. That's how I was able to generate. I think this video was up to close to 30 seconds. It should be around 24 seconds. So that's how I was able to generate all these videos. Okay, now guys, this video is ready. Let's play it and see. So I will click on the play button over there, then wait for a few seconds for it to load, and then the video is ready.
I cannot wait to see the new king wearing the royal crown.
And the dancers.
I hear they have been preparing for many moons.
I cannot wait to see the new king wearing the royal crown.
And the dancers.
I hear they have been preparing for many moons.
So guys, that's the second video. I'm going to click on the download button so that I'll be able to download it. Okay, then generate all my videos using this process. All right, after generating, I'll go to my files so that I can save the video to my photos. From your files, you will see all the videos and all the images. You can as well save these images if you want to. Okay, you long press on it and then see download button. When you long press, you are going to see animate, which is to animate the video, add to prompt, which is to use it as a reference image, and you can see favorites, you can see download, and a lot of other options there. So guys, once you are done, after saving the videos to your photos, you go to your favorite editing app. I am using InShot, so I went to InShot, opened new project, and then brought all the videos together. Okay, then change it to the aspect ratio of my choice, increase the volume, added my transition and a lot of other editing that I did here, and now this video is ready. Let's see what we have.
Have you heard? The coronation is only 3 days away.
I have. They say every village around us will gather to witness it.
I cannot wait to see the new king wearing the royal crown.
And the dancers.
I hear they have been preparing for many moons. This will be a day our children will hear about.
Then let us wear our finest wrappers. We must not miss the coronation.
So guys, this video really came out nice and beautiful. So I'm going to click on the save button so that I can save the video to my photos, and then I am done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and drop your comments. It could be a question, a suggestion, or anything. Alright, and guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a video. Alright guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Children will hear about.
Then let us wear our finest wrappers. We must not miss the coronation.